The towering ruins of ancient Rome have always captivated the world with their enduring strength and beauty. Yet, behind the grandeur lies a secret that modern engineers can barely comprehend: the secret of Roman concrete. This unassuming material, often overlooked, holds the key to structures that have stood the test of time, defying the very forces of nature. But what if I told you that the true recipe of Roman concrete was lost for centuries, only to be rediscovered recently? Imagine the potential it holds for modern architecture, and the mysteries it could unlock. As we delve into the depths of this ancient mystery, we will uncover the secrets that have allowed structures like the Pantheon and the Colosseum to remain standing, while countless others have crumbled to dust. This is not just a tale of history, it is a story of rediscovery and innovation that could shape the future of our world. For centuries, the ancient Romans stood as the epitome of architectural prowess. Their structures, seemingly built to last forever, have puzzled engineers and historians alike. Yet, the secret behind their enduring strength remained hidden, buried beneath the sands of time. But now, in a groundbreaking discovery, the true formula of Roman concrete has been uncovered. This revelation is not just a historical footnote, it is a beacon of potential for modern engineering, promising structures that can withstand the test of time. But how did this ancient knowledge resurface, and what does it mean for our future? The journey to uncover this secret is a tale of relentless pursuit, of piecing together fragments of history to reveal a forgotten truth. The story begins in the heart of the Roman Empire, where the streets were bustling with life, and the air was thick with the scent of opportunity and ambition. The Romans, known for their engineering feats, had mastered the art of concrete, using it to build structures that have become iconic symbols of their civilization. Yet, the exact recipe for this remarkable material remained a mystery, lost to the annals of history. It wasn't until recent years that a team of dedicated researchers embarked on a quest to unlock this ancient secret. The journey to rediscover the secrets of Roman concrete began with a simple question: how did the Romans manage to create structures that have stood for over 2 millennia, while modern concrete crumbles in mere decades? This question sparked a series of investigations, leading researchers to the ruins of ancient Rome, where they meticulously analyzed the remnants of Roman structures. Through advanced imaging techniques and chemical analysis, they began to piece together the puzzle, uncovering clues that pointed to a unique blend of materials and techniques. As the team of researchers delved deeper, they discovered that the secret lay not just in the materials used, but in the innovative methods employed by the Romans. They used a specific type of volcanic ash, known as pote, which reacted with lime to create a strong, durable concrete. This discovery was a game-changer, as modern concrete typically relies on cement, which is more prone to degradation over time. The researchers also found that the Romans incorporated small pieces of broken pottery into their concrete, which acted as air pockets, making the material more flexible and resistant to cracking. But the journey was far from over. To fully understand the Roman technique, the researchers decided to recreate the ancient concrete using modern methods. They sourced pote from the same volcanic regions as the Romans, mixed it with lime, and added the broken pottery. The results were astonishing. The concrete they produced was not only stronger than modern concrete but also more durable, capable of withstanding the test of time. This discovery has the potential to revolutionize modern construction, offering a sustainable and long-lasting alternative to traditional concrete. The implications of this discovery are vast. Imagine a world where buildings, bridges, and infrastructure are built to last for centuries, reducing the need for constant maintenance and replacement. This could lead to significant cost savings and a reduction in environmental impact, as fewer resources would be needed for construction and demolition. Moreover, the use of natural materials like pote aligns with the growing trend towards sustainable and eco-friendly building practices. However, the journey to rediscover the secrets of Roman concrete was not without its challenges. The researchers faced numerous obstacles, from accessing remote volcanic regions to deciphering ancient texts and inscriptions. Yet, their determination and dedication paid off, as they unlocked a secret that had been hidden for over 2 millennia. This discovery not only sheds light on the ingenuity of the ancient Romans but also offers a glimpse into a future where their legacy continues to inspire and innovate. As we conclude this journey, it is clear that the rediscovery of Roman concrete is more than just a historical revelation, it is a beacon of hope for a sustainable and resilient future. The ancient Romans, with their unparalleled engineering skills, have left us a legacy that continues to inspire and innovate. By uncovering the secrets of their concrete, we are not only honoring their memory but also paving the way for a new era of construction. This is a story of rediscovery, of piecing together fragments of history to reveal a forgotten truth. It is a story that reminds us of the enduring power of human ingenuity and the endless possibilities that lie within our reach. So, as we stand on the shoulders of giants, let us remember the ancient Romans and the secrets they left behind. Their legacy is a testament to the power of innovation and the enduring strength of human creativity. And as we look to the future, let us carry forward their spirit of discovery, ever curious and ever driven to unlock the mysteries of the past. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember to subscribe for more captivating stories from history and beyond.